Hello, this is Bonnie from Soonseal package. Today I would like to show you some of our vacuum punch. As you can see on the table, there will be different kinds of vacuum punch. First will be the nylon punch, and this is the PET punch, and this is simple punch, Victor punch, black color and with clear window punch, pure aluminum punch, aluminum coating punch. The last one will be aluminum punch with clear window. Now let's show you about our punch. First one will be the PET punch. Thickness will be 160 micron. This punch will competitive cost, which can better pack all different kinds of products. This one is the nylon punch. We have 4 different thickness for choose: 160, 200, 240, and 300 micron for choose. This punch with excellent toughness, which can better pack the product with foam, like chicken wing, seafood. The first one is the dimple punch. The thickness will be 190 micron. This punch is suitable for house vacuum machine and bigger size vacuum machine to work. This one is Victor punch, which can resist high temperature with 131 degrees heating, and also suitable for micro heating as well, and the thickness will be 200 micron. This one is black color with clear window punch. Thickness will be 200 micron, and the front will be with clear window, which can better show customer your product. Here we have a pure aluminum punch. Thickness will be 200 micron. This one is aluminum punch. Thickness will be 200 micron. And this is pure aluminum. This is aluminum coating. So you can see the difference. This one is aluminum coating with clear window. Thickness will be 180 micron. Also, this one have a clear window.